Hello! If you are facing Snapchat Supercode SS06 issue, then you have come to the right place. I recently managed to resolve this issue and now I'm going to tell you how to do the same. Make sure to watch this video till the end, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go! At first, open the App Store and search for Snapchat. If you see an update or upgrades button, download the latest version. Sometimes Snapchat doesn't support all the versions, making it impossible to sign in. Next, go to your device settings. On Android, the process may be slightly different. Find Snapchat in Settings and make sure that Background App Update is enabled. This step is very important to fix the problem. Then go to the General, then iPhone Storage, wait for a while and then search for Snapchat. Select Unupload app to uninstall the app with its documents and data intact. After that, tap Reinstall app to download it again. If the problem persists, open your browser and search for Snapchat support. Go to hub.snapchat.com and follow the steps below. Select the problem category, My account is compromised, go down to the very bottom, fill out the form, detail your problem and submit the form. Make sure you provide accurate information, especially your username and cell phone number. After submitting the form, run all the necessary artificial intelligence tests and wait for a response. It is important to clearly explain the problem to Snapchat support experts so that they can assist you effectively. After submitting your request, be patient and wait for a response, which usually comes within a few hours. Hopefully, this method will help you to successfully resolve your SS06 issue. If it does, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful content. Goodbye and good luck!